Dear audience, you are burning 180 minutes every single day. That's 3 full hours gone, wasted. And you probably don't even know where. Now, multiply that by a full school year. That's over 1000 hours. Enough to learn a new language, master a skill, or completely change your academic results. This video is a complete English speech on the value of time in a student's life. You will get the full script, the key points, and exactly how to deliver it. Whether it is for school, a competition, or an exam. Let's start. Let's start right now because ironically, your time is already running. Value of time in students' life speech. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak about something very simple yet very powerful. The value of time in a student's life. Time is something we all have, but not everyone uses it wisely. Once a moment passes, it never comes back, no matter how much we wish for it. For students, time is like a foundation. The way we use our time today decides what we become tomorrow. When we study regularly, complete our work on time, and avoid unnecessary distractions, things become easier and less stressful. But when we keep delaying things, everything starts piling up and we feel burdened. Time also teaches us discipline. A student who respects time learns to be responsible, organized, and focused. Even small steps taken every day can lead to big success in the future. To conclude, I would like to say time does not wait for anyone. It keeps moving quietly and steadily. It is up to us whether we walk with it or fall behind. So, let us value time, use it wisely, and build a better for ourselves. Thank you all.